We're looking at our project 3 for Computer Science 334. So we've built the front end using React, and we've built the back end using ASP.NET in C#. We then have a MySQL database running on a cloud server. So here we have our login page, and no matter which URL we go to, we're always sent to the login page, unless we have an auth token, in which case we'll automatically get logged in, which we'll show now. First, we can see the registering. So here we can enter a new email address. We can enter a username, then a password. So if we try, we get the error messages, and all the error messages ensure that we're entering the correct information. So if we go ahead and register, we should get an error. There we go. An error that our username is not unique. So there we go. We enter different username, and now we register, and we get success. Okay, if we try and log in with that user now, can log in. Here we go. Successfully logged in as a user, and we're trying to get the feed. Okay, and this user has not joined any group, so his feed, he doesn't have a feed. So if we quickly look around at the UI, here we have our menu bar on the side here. We have our feed, our groups, our friends, and then a map view. So the map view will take us here, and if we had anything on our feed, we'd see all of the posts on here. Okay, then we have settings over here, in which case a user can delete their account or they can log out. We can show off the groups functionality, where we can search for a group. Here's a test group that we have created. And let's see, it might take a second to find one, and here we go. Found a group with that name. Second. Here we go. Okay. And this is one of the posts from this group. Here's the title, description, and then the tags of that group, as well as the group that this post is a part of, and then all the replies on this group, which if we click, opens a little menu on the side here and shows us that someone has sent a reply to this. We can also then create a post on this group. First, we should probably join the group. We're now officially joined to this group, and if we go back to our groups, it then shows that we have now joined this group. If we were to open this group again, we can now create a group. We can now create a post. We go here to the create button. We click create. We can now enter a title. It says a description. Can then set a location. Go to and search for this location, and this is not where I expected it to be. Here, now we've selected this location. We can select its tags, and we can go ahead and create that post. Now our group is refetching the posts, and here we go. We have our post over here. If we go back to our feed, it should reload our feed, and now we have one post in our feed. And if we go to the map view, we should see that post here. This map view is then used as the filtering for our location. This is our location filtering. It uses the current bounds that the map is. So it gets the top right corner, the top left corner, and the bottom right corner, and then calculates a square grid to filter the feed by. If we then go back to the feed, we can see even more filters in this. Click on filter, and we can filter by news and apply that filter. Fortunately, there are no news filter. Oh, there is, in fact, in one of the groups that we have joined. It's another one. We can check the events. Just there, get all the food posts. As you can see, these are all different posts that are showing up here. And so on. And we can filter by the different groups as well. So we can say only show the posts in this group, which we have here. Okay. If we are going now to go to the friends, we can search all the friends that are currently here. So we can search for different users, and they are, and we can send them messages through this chat box over here. There we go. We can also go back to the groups and we can create our own group on this page once it is loaded. Over here, we can create our own group. So there we go. We have now created a group. If we join this group, or if we open this group, you'll then see that we are now the admin of this group, and we have the option to delete it over here. If we delete this group, there we go. This group has now been deleted and it disappears from our groups list. Okay, and if we want, we can, if we go back here and we refresh the page, our auth token will automatically log us in as the same user. Or we can click here to log out and not be automatically logged in again, as we can see over here. Thank you.